Hi, I'm David at GRAF. Today we've come down to Newlands Farm in Sittingbourne, Kent to oversee the installation of one of our GRAF wastewater treatment systems. The wastewater treatment system is being installed to of course protect the local environment, but its purpose today is to support a local fruit farm where generally they are going to be developing the site to take on 15 new static homes to welcome in seasonal workers during the spring and summer terms.
Hi there, my name's Will King. I'm farm manager here on our fourth generation family fruit farm down in Kent, where we grow strawberries, apples and blackcurrants. So we needed to build a new campsite here to house our team of seasonal workers. Being a fruit farm, we are heavily reliant on manual labour, which means that in the peak of the summer we get up to 35 team members here. And for us, attracting good people is absolutely key to our business. We want the same team to feel comfortable and welcome and come back here year on year. And a big part of that for us is making sure that people have got comfortable and modern accommodation to live in. We have an existing campsite, but we now are at the stage where we want to update and renew that. So we've picked a new greenfield site here. This was an old pear orchard of ours, and we are putting 15 new caravans in here to house our team. Being a fruit farm out here in rural Kent, we do not have the option of joining into mains sewage, and therefore being able to efficiently and correctly deal with all of our waste water that's going to be generated from the site was really important.
So here on this site, we have supplied a 60PE GRAF system. This is to support the seasonal loaders that we're coming into here, definitely in the spring and the summer months, but also to support this strict discharge consent as we'll be going directly into the ground from the discharge.
So as a provider of accommodation for seasonal workers, we are heavily audited on the standard of accommodation that we provide and the compliance that goes along with that. Therefore, being able to show that we are investing in proper infrastructure and proper waste management is really key. When we get into the height of the season, we are really busy. As a result, we don't want to be worrying about unnecessary challenges around overflowing waste systems and problems like that. We just want what we install to work. That's why we've gotten with a system like this that is going to be, more than capable from a size perspective and spec to mean that we can get on with our job. We'll let the tank get on with its job, and other than the annual maintenance, hopefully that's all we'll need to be worrying about.
Once installed, the solution will provide long-term wastewater performance to the water that comes into it, treating it safely before it enters into the ground.
So for us, this project's been a long time in the waiting. We've been really excited to get started. So being able to get the tanks in the ground and all that underway is brilliant. We then move on to getting the static sites, foundations laid, and moving on to the rest of the project.
Remember, all GRAF wastewater systems come with a free commissioning check regardless of size. For larger projects, performance, reliability and compliance matter. GRAF delivers all three. If you're planning a project, contact us or visit grafuk.co.uk.